Hey guys, welcome back. We are glad that you are now part of the OKX India family. Getting KYC verification on OKX is very important. It is for the safety of our user and yours as well. So to start off, you need to first log in into your OKX platform. Simply enter your email ID or mobile number and your password and click on login. You can also log in using your Telegram ID or Google account. If you have enabled two-step verification, you might need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile number in this field. Okay, so after the two-step login verification, you simply need to hover over the profile button and click on the verification button. You will get two options. You can either do KYC verification for an individual account or for a corporate account. Going with the popular demand, we will be choosing the individual KYC verification process. So let's click on this continue button. Now we need to choose our nationality. Let's click over here and type India. OKX will automatically show us our country. Let's click on India. Enter your first name and middle name. Make sure you enter your surname as well. Now you need to select the ID which you are going to use for KYC verification. You have got three options, either government issued ID card like Aadhaar card or driving license or passport. In this case we are going with the driving license. So let's click on it and enter our driving license number and submit the application. And now you are the KYC level 1 verified. With this level of verification, you can now withdraw up to 200 bitcoins from your OKX account. But let's push it further. In OKX, many traders prefer KYC level 2 verified accounts for trading. Also, all the campaign at OKX have KYC level 2 verification eligibility criteria. Hence, KYC level 2 verification is important. We need to again go to the profile button and click on verification. Now you can see the proof that you are KYC level 1 verified as you see this green color tick mark. But your KYC 2 verification is still left. So let's click on this verify button. Make sure the document which you are about to use for KYC level 2 verification matches these details. And now OKX will ask you to submit your ID documents picture. Simply click on any of this option depending on the kind of device you are using. Click here if you are on your laptop and have a webcam enabled, or click here if you don't have a webcam on your device. So we are going with this option. However, even if we choose the other option, it will still redirect us to the same website. So when we click here, a QR code will appear. We need to pick our mobile phone and scan this QR code. We will be redirected to the OKX KYC verification website on our mobile phone. Let's wait a bit. And now at this point we need to make sure we have our driving license ready with us right by our side. To start the verification, we need to tap on Start. OKX is now asking us to upload the front side of our ID card. Let's tap on Start and allow OKX to access our camera. Now you can see the camera turn on. Make sure that the camera perfectly captures the front side of driving license. Once the ID card is in perfect position, click here to take snapshot. OKX will ask us to check whether the image is clear in terms of whether we can read all the details or not. If you feel like everything is fine and clarity is great, then click on this confirm button, or else you can click on retake to take the snapshot again. Now we need to upload the back side of our ID card. So let's follow the same steps. Click on Start, click the picture of the back side of your ID card, check if everything is clear or not, and then finally confirm it. Okay, so now is the interesting and fun part. OKX will do your live facial recognition with the ID card which you have submitted. Make sure you smiled. Let's click on Start and then make sure that your face comes within this oval shape. Once it's perfect, click on I am ready. Make sure you don't have too many lights on your face. Once it is done, OKX will show you success sign and will ask you to wait as it check the image quality. If the image quality of ID proof is bad, it will ask you to submit it once again with better quality. In our case, the image quality was perfect, and that's why we are now seeing this pending review page. OKX KYC level 2 verification is very fast as compared to other exchanges. Usually, it takes an hour or so for KYC level 2 verification. Let's just wait, or else let's just fast forward this video. So now, when we go to the verification page, you can see that we are KYC level 2 verified as well. The KYC level 2 verification was done within like 30 minutes. However, sometimes it might take some time due to high KYC verification request. That being said, we are now ready to trade crypto and make some really good profits. How did you like this video? Make sure you leave your comments down below and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will be coming with more such videos. Till then, happy trading!